Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to draw this three-dimensional diagram in SolidWorks software. The dimensions of 3D model was given. For the given model. I am going to select the front plane. Select front plane and give sketch. Now select center rectangle and click on the axis and then just elongate it. Okay, and click OK. Now select small dimensions and give the horizontal length is 100 and vertical height is 75. Okay, and then click OK. Now go to the features, give extrude boss base and in the reverse direction the thickness of this one is 40 mm. 40 mm and then click OK. Okay, and then select the front surface, click sketch and then click normal to. Okay, and then again select a rectangle. Okay, and from the axis origin select nor draw one small rectangle and then click OK and then click small dimension. This length should be 50 and this vertical height should be 40. Okay, and from this side to this side the distance is 25 and from this point to this point is 75. Okay, so and then click OK. So now go to the features, give extrude cut and then distance is 20 mm. 20 mm. Okay, so this section is now over. Okay, now select this surface, select this surface and give sketch and give normal to. Okay, so here I want to draw a small rectangular box. Again select a rectangle and select a corner rectangle and from this corner just elongate one rectangle. Okay, so give OK and then give small dimension. The height of this one is 25 and the length of this one is 30. Similarly, I want this rectangle on this side. For that I am selecting the mirror entities and I am selecting this object here and the mirror about right plane. Mirror about the right plane. Click right plane and then click OK. So the same rectangle comes on this side. Now go to the features. Go to the features. Give extrude boss base and this length would be 25. This length would be 25 and click OK. Now rotate this and you can see the view. Now I want to cut the bottom side. Now I want to cut the bottom side. For that I am selecting this surface, give sketch and give normal to, select normal to and then normal to and then I am selecting a center rectangle. Okay, so I am drawing a normal rectangle here and then click OK. Okay, and give small dimension. The height of this one is 10 and length should be 64. 65 minus 24, so it will be a 41 and it is having the distance between this point to this point is 12. Okay, and from this point to this line is 10. Okay, now give OK, go to the features, select extrude cut and click through all and then click OK. Okay, so this is the finished 3D model of the given diagram. So for this model, I'm going to give the appearance. So select the appearance style here. Okay, appearance solid. So I'm selecting the orange color for this entire figure. Okay, so the diagram was drawn completely by using SolidWorks software.